Hello everyone, welcome to CladPrep Digital. Today we have got a percentage trick for you. Let's look here. In an election, the candidate got 60% of the total votes, while 20% of the total votes were invalid. So, if the candidate has got 60% of the total valid votes, we'll have to first find out the total number of valid votes, which is given here that 20% of the votes were invalid. So, out of the total 100%, if 20% of the votes were invalid, it gives us 80% of the votes which are valid. Now, these 80% of the valid votes, okay, out of these 80% of the valid votes, the candidate got 60%. Here, 60% of 80% valid votes. Okay, now this is the number of total votes which the candidate got. The total number of votes was 10,000. This of 10,000. Right? This is the total number of votes which the candidate got. So we cancel this. We get our answer as 4,800. Okay? Yes. Now, our trick is that instead of doing all this calculation, okay, and wasting so much of time here, what we can do is, when we see multiple zeros in the question, what we can easily do is, we know that 60% of the total valid votes, which 20% are the invalid, okay. So we know that 60% votes of 80% votes. We have 60% and 80% and we have 10,000. So what we can do is, we can directly cancel out, we can directly write it as this and cancel the zeros which gives us our answer directly. We don't have to do this much of calculation and waste our time. Okay, I hope you get it. So, our trick was to cancel the zeros directly, right? We don't have to waste our time by solving all the questions. Here, we can see that directly, we know 30% of 40. So, how are we going to solve it? 30% of 40. Okay, we cancel this individually, which gives our answer 12. So, instead of doing this directly, we'll cancel these two zeros and get our answer directly as 12. In the next question, we'll cancel these two zeros directly and we'll get our answer as 56. Here also, we'll cancel these two zeros directly and we'll get our answer as 625. Now, we'll cancel these two zeros directly and we'll get our answer. Therefore, we can conclude that whenever we have two zeros or more than two zeros in a question, we can directly cancel the zeros and multiply to get our answers. Okay? Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.